The most expensive pet animals top 10. 10. Bengal cat, leading to higher prices compared to other domestic cat breeds. 9. English bulldog, the high cost of breeding and maintenance. 8. Russian blue cat, command high prices due to their beauty and rarity. 7. DeBraz's monkey, reach several $1,000s. 6. Hyacinth macaque, cost tens of thousands of dollars. 5. Stag beetle, sold for high prices to collectors. 4. Pond cockatoo, cost several $1,000s. 3. Savannah cat, cost tens of thousands of dollars due to their unique appearance and rarity. 2. White lion cubs, reach into the hundreds of thousands of dollars. 1. Tibetan mastiff, sold for millions of dollars, particularly in China.